This Century 21 Premier Realtors property video is presented by Soyong Yu. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is a showstopper. As you enter, this beauty draws you in with its open floor plan, impressive fireplace, and modern style design. The kitchen offers stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and overlooks dining and living area. Luxurious master bedroom has plenty of room for a sitting area, and the master bathroom is breathtaking. Generous backyard perfect for relaxation and recreation. Close proximity to shopping, dining, and Fort Cavazos. Call your favorite realtor to schedule a private showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Soyong Yu at 254-547-9991.